Hi, want to know how to install calculator on your Huawei Watch Fit 3? So, as a first step, we would need to open the Huawei Health application on our phone and then switch to this tab which is named Devices. Here, choose your Huawei Watch Fit 3 and scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named App Gallery. Click on it, and after this, we will get list of available applications to download on our watch. Here I can immediately see the OneCalc, which is the calculator. We would need to click on it, and here click on this orange button install to install this application on our watch. This may take a little time, but it's worth it if you would like to use the calculator on your watch. After this, the application will appear on the app grid, which is right here. By clicking on the digital crown, you will be able to find it nearby between these applications. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.